Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In today's video, we're going to install DataGrip on a Chromebook. So the first thing we need to do is enable the Linux development environment. To do that, I'm going to click on the launcher here and find my settings. Click on Settings, go to the left-hand side, go to Advanced, click on that, and this tab should expand and you'll see Developers. I'm going to click on that, and where I see Linux Development Environment, I'm going to click Turn On and then Next. It'll give me a username which is based off of my email, I believe. I'm going to keep that as is, and a recommended disk size which can be changed later. I'm going to keep that as is. I'm going to click Install, and that's going to take a few moments, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once the Linux development environment is installed, a terminal will pop up. I'm going to maximize this and increase the font size so you can see what I'm doing. I want to make sure everything is up to date, so I'm going to type sudo apt-get update and then 2 ampersands, which means and then sudo apt-get dist-upgrade. And I'm going to use a -y flag so I don't have to answer yes to the additional space. I'm going to hit enter. This will take a few moments, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once the Linux development environment is enabled, we'll want to download DataGrip. So I'm going to open up a browser here and search for DataGrip and hit enter. A link from JetBrains should come up. I'll click on that. This is jetbrains.com/DataGrip. I'm going to click on download, and I want to download it for the Linux development environment. So I'm going to go ahead and download the .tar.gz file and click enter. Okay, once it downloads, we can find it in the downloads folder. And I'm going to right click on this .tar.gz file, cut the file, and then paste it into the Linux files. Once that's done, I'll pull back up a terminal, list out my storage, and I see I have DataGrip here. I'm going to unzip this and place this in the opt directory. To do that, I'll type sudo tar-xvf, then start to type DataGrip, hit tab to autocomplete, a -c and a /opt, and hit enter. Okay, once that's done, to open up DataGrip, I'll do a /opt, /start to type out DataGrip and hit tab to autocomplete, and you'll see there I had to change it to an uppercase D. Then I'll type bin and then start to type DataGrip and type datagrip.sh and hit enter. The JetBrains user agreement will pop up. I'll confirm that I've read the terms of this user agreement and click continue. And from here, DataGrip will pop up. It will prompt me to log into my JetBrains account to get my license or start a free 30-day trial or buy a license. At this point, DataGrip is installed on your Chromebook. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.